choose the right AI platform and tools for your business? In today's world, businesses are turning to artificial intelligence tools to boost productivity, improve customer service, and gain a competitive edge. But with so many options available, how do you know which AI platform or tool is best fit for your business? If you're new to the tech world, it might feel overwhelming, but don't worry. This guide will walk you through how to choose the right AI tool for your business by breaking it down step by step. First, you need to define your business needs. Before jumping into the vast world of AI, the first thing to do is identify what your business needs. This is like writing a job description. What tasks do you want the AI tool to handle? Do you need help with email marketing? Are you looking for a tool to create marketing materials? Do you need to manage customer inquiries? Are you focused on data analytics? These AI tools can help automate and personalize these tasks for your business so you can save time. These tools include automated email campaigns, specialized marketing tools, generate blog posts or social media captions, analyze customer data, and provide customer service such as chatbots. Check if the tool is user-friendly. Just because you have access to an AI platform doesn't mean it will be easy to use. Skill level matters. Some AI tools are designed for beginners and are easy to pick up, even if you don't have technical background. Others are more complex and may require some technical knowledge to operate. When evaluating AI tools, look for things like ease of use, training or support, and integration with existing tools. Check if the platform has a simple, clean interface. You shouldn't have to spend hours learning how to navigate it. Are there resources like tutorials, FAQs, or customer support available to help you if you get stuck? And lastly, will the AI platform work well with the tools you're already using, such as your email provider or CRM? AI tools come in all price ranges, from free options to expensive enterprise-level solutions. It's important to find a platform that fits your budget while also providing real value. Free trials. Many AI platforms offer free trials so you can test them out before making a financial commitment. Take advantage of this and make sure the tools actually meet your needs. Subscription models. Some AI tools charge on a subscription basis, while others might have a pay-per-use pricing. Make sure you understand how the pricing works and whether you'll get enough value for what you're paying. Scalability. Will the tool grow with your business? Choose a platform that can scale as your business expands. AI tools often require access to your business data, whether it's customer information, marketing data, or sales data. Therefore, you must ensure the platform takes data security seriously. Make sure the tool complies with data protection laws, like the GDPR, or other privacy laws depending on your location. And for security, see if the platform offers encryption, secure login methods, and other protections for your data. One of the best ways to evaluate an AI tool is by hearing from other businesses that have used it. Look for reviews and testimonials online, especially from businesses in your industry. This can give you a better understanding for the tool's strengths and weaknesses before you commit. Look for independent reviews on websites like G2, Capterra, and Trustpilot, which provide unbiased reviews from real users. Or you can look at case studies. Many AI platforms share success stories or case studies from businesses that have successfully used the tool. After you've done your research, the last step is to test the tool. Use the free trial or request a demo to get hands-on experience. Test the core features to ensure it handles the tasks you need. Assess performance to make sure the AI tool works efficiently and gives you accurate results. Ensure that you can use it. Try performing tasks like setting up an email campaign or generating content. If you find it difficult, it might not be the tool for you. Selecting the right AI tool for your business is like hiring the right employee. It should fit your needs, be easy to work with, and bring value to your company. By considering your business tasks, evaluating ease of use, balancing cost and value, and ensuring data security, you'll be on your way to choosing the perfect AI tool for your business. Don't forget to test the tool before committing.
Yep.
If you have questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below and check out our other videos answering commonly asked questions. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post our new videos.